Tariki 5 mweri-inĩ wa kanana mwaka wa 2023 nĩ mwako wakwa ati muthenya waku nĩ ũragũtwarithia wega na nĩ ndagĩikarĩra gĩtĩ kĩa ũmemerekia kũmenyithia marĩa marĩ kuo thĩinĩ ĩrĩa ĩrĩ kuo ya Mohoro uko nĩ kwa Muthingi TV tũramemerekia na njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nĩ live transmission kuma gũkũ mũciĩ mũnene wa Kenya Nairobi no kũrokeana ithuĩ kũrĩ mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV mbere ndaya reke twambe twamũkĩre mamwe ma marĩa tũkũharĩrĩirie. Na mamwe mamaria tukuharĩrĩirie ni ati
I want to ask all public servants wherever they are to work for these people. You have to know that these are our employers.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ũtungata wa mũingĩ nĩ orĩtie atongoria kũrutithania wĩra na thirikari nĩguo gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere matũũra-inĩ.
Filed an investigation report to EACC in Kisii, and we have asked that EACC take up the matter with the seriousness that is required.
Rũhonge rwa kũhũrana na ungumania nĩ rũrĩtio rũgereke Kabiru kaunti ya Gĩthii nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte nĩ ũhũthĩri mũru wa mbeca na arĩmi nĩ marĩkĩtie kũgunĩka na bataraitha mũbango-inĩ wa thirikari wa kũgũithia ngarama ya ũrĩmi. Mahinda mothe tũngĩcemania nawe na ũnjĩte Kariuki wa Nduati nĩ ngũkorwo ngĩtĩka tũkĩanjĩrĩria nĩ atĩ President William Ruto nĩ athiĩte na mbere na gũthing'ĩrĩria atĩ ndegwĩtĩkĩra ngeithi gĩcicing'a gatagatĩ ga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza oro hamwe na kĩama kĩa mũng'ethanĩro na kĩrĩa gĩtongoragio nĩ Raila Amolo Odinga kĩarĩ arĩ mwena wa Gĩthũrai gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu rũcinĩ rwa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na kũrĩa ambĩkĩte icera rĩake rĩa ndukũ ithano. President William Ruto nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ nĩ nyitĩtie mũthiori na ndegwĩtĩkĩra mĩrũrũngano yake kana mĩrũrũngano ya gũthũkangia wa indo. Ruto arĩtio rĩrĩa ambĩkĩte icera rĩa ndukũ ithano na makĩria gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya ndaumo yake ya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ĩgĩtanywo kũrĩkĩrio kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri. Ruto nĩ aumagarĩtio nĩ atongoria kĩhĩri arĩ hamwe na mũtongoria wa rĩngĩ mbunge-inĩ ya gĩbũrũri Anthony Kimani Ichung'wa mũnini wa President Rigathi wa Gachagua gũtatongoria gĩkĩhĩri na kũrĩa atanyĩte gũkorwo akĩrugũria tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩkĩ.
Tumewaambia ile vitisho walikuwa naye ati ndio wapate serikali nusu mkate haitafanyika tena, haiwezekani. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Na hawa watu nitawakalia ngumu. Bana. Kenya itakuwa ni nchi ya sheria. Wale watu ambao walikuwa wanatuletea fujo, mimi nimewaambia na mimi nataka tukubaliane na Wakenya wote. Hakuna mtu awe mrefu mfupi wa chama hii ama wa chama ile ataendesha mambo ya vita katika taifa letu la Kenya. Mambo ya kupiganisha vijana wetu, ati viongozi wanatoa pesa ati kulipa vijana wachukue mawe wapigane, wapige polisi, waharibu mali ya umma, waharibu biashara ya watu. Hiyo haitafanyika tena katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na nimewaambia wale watu wa upinzani, that will not happen again in the Republic of Kenya. Watu wa Githurai ama mnataka watu watuharibie biashara? Hapana. Hiyo tumekataa. Na wafanya ile wanataka, lakini mambo ya vita hapana. Kwa sababu unajua wale wengine ambao wale watu wa story mingi ati wanatuambia kupunguza gharama ya unga, ati lazima uvae sufuria kwa kichwa, ati na ufanye maandamano. Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Githurai, hata kwa dawa ama kwa uganga ama kwa uchawi, ukivaa sufuria kwa kichwa bei ya unga itabadilika?
Njĩra ya kũigĩrĩra thaburia mũtwe ndĩgũtũma ngarama ya mũtũrĩre ũkorwo ũkĩgwa. Ti ciugo ciakwa nĩ cia President William Ruto. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ mũtongoria wa ũtungata wa mũingĩ na ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta Felix Kosgei ta mũtongoria kana minister wa mĩtambo ya ũkinyanĩria Eliud Owalo hamwe na Belio Kipsang na ũrĩa nĩ mũteithĩrĩria ministry-inĩ ya gĩthomo nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũkinyĩrĩria arutani oro hamwe na atongoria metĩkĩre kũrutithania wĩra na thirikari ya President William Ruto nĩguo makorwo magĩteithĩka. Makĩaria igongona-inĩ rĩa hamwe rĩa gũtuga arutwo arĩa marekire wega kĩgeranio-inĩ gĩa KCSE wa thukuru-inĩ wa AIC kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya. Atongoria nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na na gutugeria President William Ruto ni makinya maria rathi na mbere na gutashokia uko magithi na mbere na guthinyiriria arimi metikire kurika migunda-ini yao niguo kuhurana na ng'aragu na njira iria yagiriire.
Going to make sure that development is in each and every corner of this country, regardless of the position the county or the constituency is. We are going to cover the entire country and everybody will be treated equally. The resources that we are getting from you people in terms of taxes, lazima itumike kwa kila corner, every village, every division.
Enormous number of jobs which have been given to our people. As a people, we have agreed, all of us who are in government, that we are going to work as one team. Myself, Raymond, Alfred Komburo, and everybody else in government. We are going to work as one team so that we help the government to deliver to the people of Nyanza. And our focus is not ourselves. Our focus is service delivery to the common mwananchi. How to revitalize our cotton, what to do about exploitation of the fishing industry, the roads, electricity, water. Those are the discussions we want to have, and that is what we are having with the government. And I'm happy to report that so far we are making fundamental progress.
Thomas Joseph Mboya called challenge of nationhood. We are not fully a nation yet. And that is why whenever we have some political difficulties, we don't find very quick solutions. But I'm very pleased that there's now effort.
Haya, tukithina mbere na riboti ingĩ nĩ atĩ gĩkundi kĩa mũingĩ gĩa kĩrĩa kĩũĩkaine ta Juhudi Africa rĩu nĩ kĩrĩkĩtie kuneana riboti kũrĩ rũhonge rwa ũthuthuria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na makĩria EACC kana rwa kũhũrana na ungumania itemi-inĩ rĩao gũthiĩ na mbere na gũtetia mũrutĩre wa wĩra wa gavana wa kaunti ya Gĩthii Simba Aratĩoro hamwe na speaker wa bunge ĩno ũkĩrĩ ũguo matongoretio nĩ mũtongoria wao no kana matongoretio nĩ Bernard Nyamwaro no ũrĩa nĩwe mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ũkinyanĩria gĩkundi-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ monekanĩte gũtetia ũrĩa thirikari ya kaunti ya Gĩthii ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhũthĩra mbeca cia mũingĩ makiuga atĩ marĩ na ciũria nyingĩ gũkĩra macokio.
We have already filed an investigation report to EACC in Kisii, and we have asked that EACC take up the matter with the seriousness that is required because there seems to be embezzlement of public funds. Now, it is on record that on July, the governor, Kisii County Simbarati, sponsored over 50 MCAs for a trip to China. Now, that the 50 MCAs were sponsored to a trip where they were paid for a ticket and they were given 50,000 shillings as pocket money, as confirmed by the Kisii Governor Simbarati. Against the Constitution under Article 176, which establishes the County Assembly and their functions. That is the functions of the County Assembly and the roles of the MCAs, which is legislation, oversight and representation. Secondly, it is against the Constitution under Article 176, which establishes the County Assembly and their functions. That is the functions of the County Assembly and the roles of the MCAs, which is legislation, oversight and representation. We are realizing that this is to calm the political temperatures in Kisii, and that is why he is trying to buy them out by giving them tokens and gifts of such programs of a trip to China. Now, it's also on record that around March there was another trip to Tanzania and Uganda where the Speaker of the County Assembly, Honorable Philip Nyanumba, sponsored the MCAs for a trip which costed the taxpayers money at a cost of 216,000 for each MCA.
At 2:30 p.m.
Tugithina mbere ni ati na wanyitite mina makiria kuma sekta-ini ya githomo mwena wa mbere ya rũgongo rũu ni marikitie kwarĩra mĩtaratara mĩerũ ya gũtigĩrĩra ati ni mahũrana na mathĩna ma githomo na makiria maria macungagĩrĩra arutwo gũkorwo makiamũkĩra maumĩrĩra matarĩ mega kana kwandĩkithia maumĩrĩra matarĩ mega hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩrĩ na rĩrĩa rĩratanyĩtwo kana rĩrĩa rĩratabanĩrio thukuru-inĩ wa Kanyua Bora ũrĩa ũrĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu. Anyitĩte mĩero hamwe na aciari gwata arimũ ni marikitie kuga ati riu ni marikitie kwarĩra mĩtaratara ĩrĩa kũmateithĩrĩria gũtigĩrĩra ati ni mokerie githomo na njĩra nene mwena ũcio.
Leo tumekubaliana ya kwamba lazima sisi kama Mbeere North ama Kanyua Bora zone mambo ya masomo kwanza ikuwe ndio ile tunaita na kimombo cash crop yetu. Njoo hapa kwetu hatuna maziwa, hatuna kahawa, hatuna majani, hatuna yale cash crop zingine. Sisi yetu hapa cash crop itakuwa nini? Masomo. Na tumekubaliana ya kwamba lazima wazazi, walimu, viongozi, wakuu wa elimu washikane jameni ili masomo yetu iweze kuenda mbele.
Jambo moja ambao ningehimiza wazazi tufanye siku ya leo, kuanzia leo, tumesikia kwamba shule bingi zetu ile shida ziko nazo ni watoto wengi hawakuji shule. Shule ziko lakini watoto ni wachache mno. Tafadhali wazazi, ni jukumu lenu kuleta watoto shule ili hawa walimu wawahudumie. Walimu hawezi wakakuja nyumbani kufunza watoto huku. Lazima watoto wakuje shule. Shule ni mingi, shule ni za serikali. Tuleta watoto shule ili waweze kuhudumiwa. Jambo la pili, leta mtoto shule.
Wazazi wako na mazoea watoto wakifunga shule, hata upe mtoto time ya kusoma. Tukubali watoto wakuwe watoto. That is also another thing I wanted to say. Mtoto akusaidia kazi nyumbani, lakini si ati juu mtoto amefunga sasa umepata sijui mtoto hata hawezi fanya homework. Let us allow our kids to be kids. Si tutasaidiana hapo. Observe character za mtoto wako. Mtoto wako asikuje nyumbani na simu ya 10,000 na uko comfortable. Alitoa wapi simu ya 10,000? Wewe mwenyewe hata hiyo 10,000 school fees hujalipa, lakini mtoto wako na simu ya 10,000.
Aciari hamwe na arutwo na makiria aria mari rungu rwa mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC ni mathiete na mbere na gutugiria mutaratara uyu ona thengia ya mihinga minene na morito maria maumanaga na mutaratara uyu makiaria hingo ya hamwe na makiria hingo ya kurora uhoro uyu na makiria thukuru-ini wa ILBC no ri Kajiado ya gatagati. Aciari oro hamwe na arimu ni matugiritie na njira nene mutaratara uyu gukwa aciari makionekana kukenerera makiuga ati ciana ciao ni hotete kwanjiriria kumenya maundu matiganite ari hamwe na urimi gwata wonjoria. Riu ni moritie ministry ya githomo itikire kuregeria mukwa na makiria hakinya ni uhoro wigie bithi makiuga ati mugiki gukorwo kina goro nigiteithĩtie ciana ciao.
Wengi wetu hatukuwa tunajua mambo ya kulima, lakini tumefundishwa na hii ni mojawapo ya mboga ambazo tulizolima. Tumepanda mboga zetu, sikuwa najua hata vile mboga ambazo zinapandwa, lakini kwa sasa hivi nimejua na ndio hizi tumepanda tukiwa na wenzangu.
Kupitia CBC tumegundua ya kwamba talanta tofauti kutoka kwa watoto wetu ilikuwa imejificha, lakini sasa zinajitokeza kupitia njia mbalimbali. Unakuta mtoto ni mzuri kwa kuchora, unakuta mtoto ni mzuri kwa mambo ya na ukulima, unakuta mtoto ni mzuri kwa mambo ya upishi, unakuta mtoto ni mzuri kwa mambo mengine ambayo yanahusu maisha yetu ya kawaida uko nje ya shule.
Imekuwa ni msaada kwa mambo ya CBC kwa sababu watoto wanajua sasa jinsi ya kupanda mboga na itaweza kuimprove mambo na afya yao binafsi, na vile vile inaweza kuwa source of income pale nyumbani, na pia ni njia ya kupunguza njaa katika manyumbani na hata kwa vijiji, na hata hii inaweza tumika kwa sababu tumeweza kuona ya kwamba kati ya wanafunzi wote utakuta yule mwanafunzi ambaye kipawa chake kiko mambo na ukulima. Kwa hivyo tunasema imesaidia CBC, this practical part of it imekuwa ni ya muhimu sana.
Changamoto ile tuko nayo sasa ni kupata bidhaa, kwa sababu kuna gharama ya hizi projects. Kwa mfano kama ni upishi, lazima tutafute vyakula ya kupika na ile vitu inahitajika.
Uko nyuma pale hapo mahali hakuna maji.
Haya, riboti yo kuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Kajiado itutware kahinda-ini gaito kambere ga guikiria ndirikana no thi na mbere na kwaria na ithuĩ kuri mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV. Twambe tuikirie oni turahunduka.
Muthingi nĩ hĩndĩ tũrawamba na ona tũkĩwambaga ndĩ haha gwĩkĩra ũira atĩ mũthingi ũrĩa tũramba wĩhandĩte ka ta ihiga rĩa nyaigĩ. Nyitanagĩra naniĩ Mũthoni wa Wambũgũ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya igagũrĩro gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Kuhagira riko na kuihura nĩ ibataranagia kũgĩa na rangi na mũnungo mwega nĩguo ikagucĩrĩria mũcirĩi, na nĩkĩo nyũmba ya Mũgĩkũyũ ndĩagaga itaha rĩa kũgagũra mũgeni. Tabarĩra-inĩ ya itaha rĩa maitũ tũgũtaraga njĩra ya kũruga irio ngũrani na onawe ũgakenerera ũrugi waku. Nyitanagĩra na Njeri wa Nyakĩo o kiumia thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tũkĩrunga thiri cia ũrugi gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Haya, harita njĩra ĩmwe kana nĩ tũkorwo twacokereria ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũrũmanĩrĩra hamwe na ithuĩ. Harita njĩra ĩmwe ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ thirikari nĩ yahũrana na ngarama nene ya mũtũrĩre nĩ ĩthiĩte na mbere na kũgũmĩra Akenya aingĩ. Rĩu arĩmi na makĩria kuma kaunti-inĩ ya nĩ marĩkĩtie kwamũkĩra bataraitha ya bei ya raithi ĩrĩa ĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo ĩkĩmateithĩrĩria kũimbaimbia kĩondo kĩao kĩa magetha. Ũkĩrĩ ũguo arĩmi aya nĩ monekanĩte gũtũgĩria thirikari na njĩra nene oro hamwe na ikinya rĩrĩ makiuga atĩ nĩ kũmateithĩrĩria harĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mongerera magetha mao nĩguo kũhũrana na thĩna wa ngarama nene ya mũtũrĩre nĩ ĩrĩa ĩthiĩte na mbere na kũgũmĩra namba nene ya Kenya.
Wito wangu ni kuambia hii mbolea iko bei mzuri. Haina maana muende mnunue kwa Agrovet mali iko pesa mingi. Sasa naomba yule mtu ajiandikishe au anachukua mahindi kutoka kwa cereal board. Unaona hata mimi, wajua sisi watu wa Busia tuna mali pamoja tu Malaba. Na Malaba mimi natoka Butula. Butula kwenda Malaba ni mbali. Ni tena hiyo mbali hakuna barabara mzuri. Lakini nilisikia MP yangu ni MP Oyula nilisikia akipropose vile MP wa Butula ni sub county anataka afanye bidii au anataka omba hao watu watuwekea hapo ndio sutiwe tunatembea mbali. kwa sababu kutoka mpaka Butula natumia karibu 500 transport peke yake. Sasa ikiwa hapa Butula, tunaomba watujengee mahali kama zero board Butula, hapo ndio tutakuwa tunachukua haraka. Watu wa kutoka Bunyala wanakuja hapo, kwa sababu kutoka Bunyala kwenda Malaba ni mbali, au watu wa Ugalo Butula kwenda Malaba ni mbali. Sasa hapo itakuwa center, watu wa Nambare, watu wa Teso, Wanyala, Marachi na Bukayo.
We in Bungoma harvest our maize much earlier than Rift Valley and Trans Nzoia, and we are asking that the government should implement the system that has been put by the president as of now, because within a month or a month and a half, we'll have no produce in our farms. It will have already been taken away by the middlemen. We have come at the serious here, and I can say we have talked to the manager, and he has his level higher than him, whom we will also try and approach. But for now, the members of the press, you highlight the thing so that whoever it is that can implement the presidential directive, he does it as of this month, not wait until when we have no stocks. In all years you have seen, Bungoma silos, those that are open in the town here, are available for people bringing maize by lorries from elsewhere. We are saying it is time these silos serve the Bungoma people.
Haya, tuguthi na mbere ni ati nao aikaria kuma gicagi kia Ndadu Mwenge guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kilifi nimathite na mbere na gutetia ni kiria maugite ati mimera ya gukorwo igitharikirwo ni njogu iria ikoretwo ikiuma runyanjara-ini rumwe na ruria ruri kaunti-ini iyo na gumacungiriria gukorwo magitara hathara riri metereire mimera ino na njira nene. Ukiri uguo ru ni makaire thirikari ya kaunti iyo itikire kumateithiriria gwata ruhonge rwa kurira nyamu ni ru KWS na ruria ruri mwena ucio rwitikire gucokiriria njogu ici micini kana kuria ciagiriire ni gukorwo kuna ati nginyanagia mihango ya mathukuru kana ciana guthi mathukuru ni koretwo ikirugamio ni mihango ino ya njogu kumira mathaa maria mataramenyekana.
Na shida yetu ni ndovu. Umepata mahindi kamalizwa ni ndovu. Sasa unafukuza ndovu hawendi, wanaanza saa 11 jioni, manatoka saa 9 za usubuhi, na unateseka na kufukuza ndovu hawendi, unapiga madaba na nduru hawawezi kuenda. Sisi haujui ufanye nini, na ukipeleka malalamishi kwa chefu wetu anasema ndovu makila mahali na hakuna msaada wowote. Hakuna chakula, sisi sasa ufanyeje? Hakuna chakula, na mameua watu sehemu ya Vitengeni, kumeua mzee mmoja na ule ndovu wanafukuza ndovu wakaanza kumuua. Akasema tujaze fomu tupeleke Ganda, tupeleke Gede. Huko Gede kwenda ni pesa, hakuna pesa. Tumepata chakula kikaisha na ndovu, sasa hakuna chakula hata cha watoto wetu. Tunalala na njaa, tukishinda na njaa.
Kula mkunde, wanakula mzungu. Sasa tunashangaa vile kila siku ndovu wanaingia. Hata jana, hata usiku wa leo tumewaona kabisa.
Haya, tugithi riboti ningi ya kiha igongona ria kiririkano na makiria andu aria mahutirio ni tharikari itoi mwaka wa 1980 kana ma 1998 mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi ni rithite na mbere na gutafanio mucini munene wa Kenya. Igongona riri ritafaneirio kana rigwikinyitio ni andu matiganite ari hamwe na kamiti ya Senate na makiria iria koragwo igithuthuria uhoro wigie mutino uyu. Gukiri uguo amwe andu aria makorirwo makihutio mutino-ini uyu matire makorwo makiriho mbeca ciao, koguo kamiti ino igithi na mbere na kuga ati ni gutigirira ati ni afuatana kana ni arumanira na undu uyu kuona ati andu aria mumite thirikari-ini kana kuma bururi wa USA na aria mahutirio ni undu uyu aingi ao ni aria makorirwo makiriho mbeca ciao, no aikari a Kenya aria mahutirio ni mutino uyu aingi matire makorwo makiamukira kiria gikiao.
Innocent lives. It is really sad when I share what happened in 1998. I cry as if it happened yesterday. We are still waiting for compensation. May Joshua arise and help the Hado Committee. May God ahead of you. May He open doors where no man will open, will close. We are praying for you. I know you have done great. Thank you so much, Carol. Thank you, Agnes. We love you so much. Thank you for standing with us. We have cried for long, but God, we are going on our knees.
Thank you so much, Lillian Ngeno. I now call upon Teachers Service Commission by Leonora, and we will have one person speak on behalf of the other ones because of time. You can both come. You introduce your friend and let one person speak. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Leonora Atieno, and this is Mr. Pascal Okubasu. He's my colleague. He was injured also. He's a survivor. I'm a member of the consortium group. I was working with the TSC at the cooperative house. At that time, I was on the 15th floor doing my duties. Then I heard gunshots, then loud bang. Then I went to the window to check what was happening. I was thrown down. Then I saw dark smoke and dust. I don't know how long I took there, but there was glass all over my body. I was cut in the cheeks and in the shoulder, and I injured my right leg. My body was full of blood. A colleague helped me to walk into ground floor. We found many vehicles and so many people waiting for us to assist us to go to hospital. I was picked by a good Samaritan. I was taken to Masaba Hospital for treatment. Then after 2 days, my family transferred me to Aga Khan Hospital. From that time, I have been having eye problem. My right eye has a problem. In the year 2021, a glass was removed from my right eye and my right shoulder. In TSC, which the offices were located at the cooperative house, from that floor to 17th floor, and it bore the brand of the terrorist attack, losing the 12 people. Most were in the boardroom in the 4th floor. I have 2 colleagues who are here. They are in the wheelchair. There is Teresia, she's sitting there. And there is Mrs. Amisi Redemptor. She's sitting just behind you. They were my colleagues at the cooperative house. About 300 to 500 people were injured physically and psychologically at the TSC offices. For the last 25 years, we have lost about 8 staff as a result of the American embassy bombing.
Haya, no atumia aria mari na ciana cia ngenge tio gwitikira gukorwo makiongithia ciana ciao gwa kahinda ka mieri 6 iginyanagia kahinda ka miaka 2 niguo gutigirira ati ni makorwo magithema na merimu itiganite. Na ni riboti tuhaririirio ni mundu gwitwo ti wa Mbui wa Njau na gitio kinene gikirwo ni undu wa matha nitugukorwo tukimiamukira mutamburuko-ini witu uria ugukorwo ukiruminira. Hau niho gukorwo ngikira gaturumo mohoro maitu maitha riri ngatho cia mwanya ni ari othe makinyaniria mutamburuko uyu atire nganja iraho ni turagithi na mbere na ukuhaririria riboti wona cihanda wega thaa imwe na ni cia hwaini ni guhunduka haha ngumenyithie baria mariko thiini hiria iri kuoya mohoro. President William Ruto otuguda kwira ni akiambikire icera riake ria nduko ithano gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya muthenya wake wa mwisho wa gitanywo kana muthenya wa umuthi thabari yake ya mwisho gitanywo kurugamira kuria kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Ni atoka rumeneirwo hamwe na atongoria kihiria ri hamwe na munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua mutongoria wa ringi mbunge-ini ya gibururi Anthony Kimani wa Icũng'ũrũ hamwe na Ndindi Nyoro na ũrĩa nĩ mũmbunge wa Kũrĩa Kĩharũ gatagatĩ ga atongoria angĩ aingĩ. Nĩ riboti tũrathiĩ na mbere na kũrũmanĩrĩra nacio mangĩ no na ciahara wega thaa ĩmwe mũciĩ no wa kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema na nĩ wanjĩta Kariuki wa Nduati nĩ ngũkorwo ngĩtĩka Wambui wa Njaũ nĩ araingĩra na metameta cia mathako magĩe na mahinda mega.
Nako kagũrũ karĩime gatihana karĩ mũhu nake mumagari nĩeyonagĩra. Ndutaga wĩra wa kwendia hema mĩgeka na ngũnia ũcio nĩ wĩra ũrĩa ndiraga naguo gũkũ Nairobi.
Nĩtũtambũraga kĩyo gitũ na thabarĩ itũ mĩethere-inĩ.
Kũnyita ũgeni gũkũ kwa mũthingiti thĩ.
Nĩkĩo nĩtũgĩcemanagia o kiumia tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri